Hi, I'm Elle from eSpares, and in this video I'm going to be talking about all the different kind of light bulbs available for your home and why LEDs are the best possible option out there. Traditionally, the types of bulbs that you'd find in your home are incandescent bulbs, halogen bulbs, and also CFLs, which stands for compact fluorescent lighting, and these were the original kind of energy saving bulbs available for homes. But now that LEDs are on the market, we'll explain why they're a superior option in terms of energy efficiency to all three of these. So that brings us to LED bulbs. Now LED bulbs are actually 90% more efficient than incandescent bulbs, and they also last 20 times as long. So that means, although they're slightly more expensive to buy, not only do they save you energy as you use them, but also in their lifespan, they'll save you a lot more as well. So to give some comparison on how much an LED bulb costs you compared to other types, it's estimated that the annual running cost of an LED bulb is only £1.71. For CFL bulbs, this is £2.04, and for halogen bulbs, it's a whopping £8.42. So this means LED bulbs could save you up to £200 per year, which works out as a whopping £2,000 in a decade, and that's not even taking into account the fact that these bulbs last longer, so you don't have to replace them as often. Also with the LED bulb, you can achieve a good level of brightness using less energy. As you can see from this table here, an 18-watt LED bulb will give you 1,300 lumens of brightness, whereas the standard incandescent bulb uses 100 watts to achieve the same level of luminosity. Of course, with the LED bulbs, you also have a wide range of shapes and fittings to choose from your spotlight bulbs, to your classic round bulbs, to candle bulbs, and even vintage style bulbs for that retro appeal. And of course, LED bulbs also provide all the different kinds of lighting you could want to. Whether you're after a warm light for your home, or a cool white light for an office space or work environment, LED bulbs have got you covered. If you want to take your LED bulbs one step further, you can actually invest in smart bulbs. So these let you turn your lights off remotely. So if you've left your house and you want to check that your lights are switched off, or if you've left them on and you'd like to turn them off, you can do that with a smart bulb. And you can even switch all the lights around your home off without leaving your sofa, as long as you've got your mobile phone in your hand. To get your hands on a wide range of energy efficient bulbs, including these TCP smart bulbs, just check out the link down below in the description and you can find them there. And also, if you'd like to learn more about specifically the smart bulb range, just see our video right here for some product demonstrations. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more energy efficiency tips, more product demos, and of course, all sorts of videos on diagnosing, repairing and maintaining your household appliances. Thanks for watching.